Bam 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 bam
Bam bam bidam
bam 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 bidam bam bam. Eyo.
bam bam. Yeah, they separated, but no boyfriend, no problem. I'm happy. Hakuna
Mana we uri guhenda sifite amafaranga genda.
magana tandatu,
Ego.
magana tanu.
Yeah.
Ibihumbi na magana tanu. Oya muri guhenda. Ndagiye.
Gasaro TV.
Bakunzi ba Gasaro TV tubahaye ikaze muri impande n'impande ndetse tunabashimira mwese mwakoze subscribe mukurikira ibiganiro byacu ndetse munabikunda. Nawe utarayikora rero ubona ari byiza wakora subscribe, ndabasuje cyane rero aho muherereye hose ku isi yose, abari muri diaspora, abari muri East Africa, abari mu Rwanda ndetse abamunara no mujyi wa Kigali. Nkuko bibona rero turi kumwe n'abantu beza cyane, abakobwa harimo Evrine twakoranye ubushize ndetse n'aba bantu. Reka tubabaze amazina yawo. Muraho neza? Amakuru
Ni meza cyane.
witwa nde?
Deborah. Simbizi.
Yeah.
All of my IKINYARWANDA, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Muraho?
Mirewe.
Mwiriwe neza? Amakuru?
Mineza nawe.
Nanjye meze neza. Witwa nde?
Nitwa Hana.
Hana. Hana ni muntu ki?
I don't know.
Your background.
My background. Yeah, okay. I like what I did.
Yes.
What?
Germany.
Yeah, like I graduated from school last year, and this is now my gap year here. Yes.
You're married? You're single?
No. I'm not married. I'm way too young for. Married.
You are still young?
Mutoya.
Mutoya.
Too young. Too young. Teenagers.
Oh, I'm not a teenager.
Okay. Who know to sing the most?
Our song?
It's
Okay.
I also love singing.
Okay, she gotta start.
Okay, free. Ndumva ahise avuga ngo our song ubwo arashaka ko murimba indirimbo muziranyeho hagati yanyu. Akira mikro muririmbe ya ndirimbo pa pa
Bam 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 bam
Bam bam bidam
bam 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 bidam bam bam. Eyo.
bam bam bam
Bam bam bidam.
bam bam.
What a nice song.
Yeah.
iyo ndirimbo ni ndikunda cyane mwese nabonye mwese muyikunda kuri yanyu.
All of us, kwese. All
Mm.
of us, we like this song, right?
Of course.
Yes,
We
we do
love
like
reggae.
it.
This bam bam.
Reggae.
We love reggae so much and Bob Marley.
Hanyuma Eve rero hari abantu benshi wenda badukurikiye audience badashobora kumva icyongereza. You gonna translate, right?
Okay, shall we try?
Yeah. No ndashaka umbarize Ana uko yabonye mu Rwanda rwacu ese nicyo yakundiye cyane kurenza ibindi.
What do you like the most in Rwanda?
Where?
In Rwanda, since you came in Rwanda, what did you like the most here in Rwanda?
I love everything. I love everything, every place. But I guess like the most beautiful thing is here the view. Wherever you are, you just have such an amazing view. Except no. Especially not especially in Kigali. It looks
Except
like,
where?
no, not except. I mean, especially in Kigali, just like at night, it seems like 1,000 stars are on this earth because everywhere are those lights.
Yeah. Hanyuma Eve uragerageza dusobanurira aravuze ati yakunze
aravuze ngo akunda
byose.
byose mu Rwanda cyane cyane view. View since cyari cyo mu Kinyarwanda.
nago
Nyine
view
ni
nago
view.
uzi icyo ari cyo.
Nyine ni view. I'm sorry. Nyine ni view.
Se turasobanura view karigikira.
Mu Cyongereza ko natazi mu Kinyarwanda.
Mu Kinyarwanda.
Rwanda.
Reka tuvuge twimagine nk'ikirere cy'u Rwanda cyangwa se nk'amashyamba.
Image.
Yeah. Nuko muri make tugenekereje. Second question. Ikibazo cya kabiri kuri Hana.
Second question, she gotta ask another question. Yeah.
what do you like the most here in Rwanda? Your favorite food or drink?
Oh. My favorite food. Sambusa? Samosa?
Do you know ibiraha?
That's
No.
what we've been eating in the morning for breakfast with
Chapati.
the potatoes inside. That's kind of sambusa, but
Ah.
potatoes. That was delicious.
Yeah.
Ibiraha.
Yes. Dukunda ibiraha twese.
Ibyo kurya noneho rero.
About the food.
Yeah.
Because that's just ibiraha, the sambusa, just the food. About
Like
traditional
rice,
food.
potatoes,
Ah, the cooked banana.
banana.
Ibitoki.
Okay.
Hanyuma nawe mumbarize ikibazo cya mbere ndamubibariza icya kabiri.
Debobo. Deborah.
We.
Why are we here in Kigali?
Why we are here in Kigali right now?
Yeah.
Oof. Because we are refugees from Gisenyi. Like there was this volcano eruption and heavy earthquakes. That's why we had to come here. And we are staying with our dear friends, Hannah and Kati, who's behind the camera.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you second question. Why your friend is behind camera?
I think I'm not allowed to tell you in the interview why she's not.
It's
in
private
front of the camera.
secret.
Is it a secret? Can I tell? Can I tell? Okay, I'm allowed, so I will tell you. Like, she has a hangover. That's why. Happens. Yes.
It is what it is.
She has hangover.
Hanyuma ikibazo nakimubajije kereka wagi translatinga mu
Too much in
Kinyarwanda.
Zoom.
Haryo mojije?
Namubajije ngo
aravuze abadukurikiye impamvu Catherine yari behind camera afite hangover mbese nta mbaraga afite. Niyo mpamvu rero mushiti wabo impamvu nyimubajije hari abamubonye dutangira wenda bari kwibaze se yagiye hehe. Niyo mpamvu rero
twaze
mvuze
turirimbana
kariyo.
inzira yose.
But you can come to greet the audience to say hi. Only you can go. It's okay. Come.
Shortcut. Make just like a shortcut and then go.
Sit and say hi and you go. Sit here and say hi.
Miriwe.
Anyway.
Amakuru.
Min beza.
Twande.
Kati, Katharina.
Katarina.
Katharina.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
going to ask you one question.
Okay.
What do you like the most here in Rwanda?
I think it's the same as Hannah with the view. I love the view and the hills. So beautiful, and that everything is so green. It's perfect.
Okay, you can go. Or you can stay. Your friend is said that she has hangover.
But she doesn't look so. She's like.
Yeah, she's cute.
She's so cute.
Yeah, she's cute.
Nobody's gonna recognize that.
Okay. Ikibazo cya kabiri. Ndakibaza iyi mushiti wacu. Niba afite boyfriend kandi niba yakemera kuba married n'umunyarwanda.
Okay, question.
Okay.
Be free.
She's asking about if you have a boyfriend or if you don't have a boyfriend, would you like to marry a random guy? Something like that.
Oh, so many questions. So I have a boyfriend.
Okay.
I hope soon he's my man, my husband, not my boyfriend anymore, but I'm still waiting for the ring. And yeah, I don't know why I'm waiting so long. And if I had not this boyfriend, I would be also interested in a running guy, but I'm very happy in my relationship. So
He's so cute.
yeah, of course. We are one family. We are the parents of Evelyn now.
Okay.
At this time, no.
Ategereje igihe kinini.
Surely.
We are taking care of her.
Muri make se Eve ikibazo ni cyo yari yajije. ntago dusubije atubwiye ati negereje igihe kinini nyine ariko narahebye bimeze bite
ibintu byanyu banzi umuntu ageze hano ahita nawe ajya mu ibyo bintu byo gutegereza igihe kinini manzi yarameye byawe tutagikwa
oya sha
But no, they are a good couple. They are a nice couple. They are really nice together. And I love their couple, by the way.
Yes.
He's so cute. You know
Thank
that.
you. Murakoze.
hanyuma Hannah, do you have boyfriend?
No.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Because I broke up with him a few months ago.
Sorry.
No, don't be.
None se hanyuma Eve yavuze ko batandukanye.
Yeah, they separated, but no boyfriend, no problem. I'm single. I'm happy. Hakuna matata.
Yeah, you can say it like this.
Ariko ashobora kubaza ikinyarwanda cyinshi cyane kurenza ba Catherine.
Hey, to know hakuna matata in Kinyarwanda.
Nakibazo.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Niduze ikinyarwanda cyinshi Eve. Abari umvugishije ari mu kinyarwanda gike ashoboye.
She said, who knows Kinyarwanda better?
Nabonye ari uyu.
I guess she.
You? I think she's the best one in Kinyarwanda.
Mubaze noneho ikinyarwanda gike ariko nawe uzi kazi.
Ask her some Kinyarwanda.
Evelyn actually taught me the first things in Kinyarwanda. I think it was the second day I was showing up in Gisenyi. She was visiting me and telling me, if you go to the market, just say, Manawe, muri guhenda, sifita mafaranga, genda.
Eve niwe wabimwigishije.
So that's very unpolite. Things that you teach me.
No, that's good.
Okay, if you say so.
Hanyuma icyazi we ni ikihe? Oya we azi.
So, what Kinyarwanda you know about when we are going to take the motorbike? The price you know, which is current. You say the price. In Kinyarwanda.
Wait, what?
The prices for the motorbike.
They're expensive here. Magana tandatu. Magana tanu.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Igihumbi. What does it mean, igihumbi?
Igihumbi is 1,000.
Oh,
Igihumbi.
1K.
you're nice.
Igihumbi na magana tanu. Oya, muri guhenda. Ndagiye.
Tugend.
What I always say.
Okay. We'll live together with Evelyn.
Secret.
What?
Secret.
What is the secret about you?
About who I live together with. Let's keep it secret.
I cannot tell.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know it.
Yes.
She's full of secrets.
Yes. We have a lot of secrets.
Hanyuma ntiduzi sport. Muri bo.
Who knows sport? I do stretching many times with the ball.
Okay. Agiye kuzitwereka. You gonna show them.
You're gonna show one process together.
Gasaro TV.